Doing the thermostat on a 2012 Acura TL with the SH all-wheel drive. Just open the engine. The thermostat is right here, under here, which is under the throttle body in this unit. So all this plastic's got to come off. Right, going to take the battery out, and hopefully this cable here, if I have to, I can just pop it free in order to get these. And these are 10 mil, and I'm gonna have to drain everything first. Under the front of the car, just a little bit to the passenger side, you'll see that, and you release it or turn it counterclockwise and all the fluid will drain out of your coolant system. Just to make life easier, I'm going to remove the air box. This clamp here, 10 millimeter, this screw down here, 10 millimeter, and this is a pull plunge type, just yank it off, and then there's a couple quick clips at the back and it should just pop right out. After a lot of fighting with this cable here, this friggin' thing, finally able to get the back screw off. It is a pain in the nuts to get off, or it's a nut that's a pain to get off, as the case may be, but out it comes and it just spills fluid everywhere, so it'll fall to the right hand side.